Hi, grade 3 Kuwati syllabus. Today I will make a quick revise on a quick review on unit 3 and unit 4, the last two units in your book found with English. Okay. But before I will go to our revise today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review on unit 3 and unit 4 in your book fun with English. In these two units, we learn some vocab. Let's remind us with it. We have here hoppy, 500, 500, sport club, 600, tennis, 700, stamps, 800, care, 900, hip, 1000, neat, hot, sailing, cold, chills, diary, 100, weather, 200, tonight, 300, fast, 400, and short. Here in this unit, we learn the present simple tense, and we know when we use the present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to expressing habits and facts, or truth, okay, which is habits and fact, okay, like we say sun rises from the east, or sun rises every day. This is a fact. We can say habit, I go to club every weekend, so this is called a habit. Okay, this is the difference between the fact and the habit. Fact means can change it, but the habit can change it. Okay, can change. This is the difference between habit and fact. Let's learn together. As we told you before, that present simple tense, I know it by adding s to the verb. Which pronouns takes s and which pronouns don't take s? I, you, we, they don't take s, like this. I always eat fish. He, she, it don't take s, like this one. He eats fish. So here is the difference between the pronoun I don't take s, pronoun he takes s. Okay, let's go to another one here. When we talk about do and does, we make yes no question. Here we say what do you want? We say here what does he want? So when we ask with do with pronouns I, we use they. When we use does with the pronouns he, she, it. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here in this unit, we learn the keywords of present simple tense, which is usually, sometimes, always, never. When we know during the lesson that always means the habit happened in 100%, and never the habit didn't happen at all. It will be in 0%. This is called adverbs of frequency. Okay. He always plays football. So here it means the habit happened not in 100%. In this unit also we learn the like and the gerund that followed by this verb. We know the verb like, we know the verb enjoy, we know the verb go, and adding ing to the verbs is called the rule of gerund. I like reading. I'm good at swimming. I'm playing football, and so on. Okay, this is that we know during this lesson. This unit. With this unit, we learn some adjectives like big, small, tall, short, fast, slow, bad, good, nice, neat, tidy, little, old, young, new. All this we learned during this unit. Let's go to learn to do the exercise related to this unit, and how your paper exam it will be like in the exam. Okay, so here we have a formula of your paper exam to know how to answer the question. My space is painting. So here I ask about painting. I can say ceiling. I can say dinner. No, sailing and dinner have different meaning. And painting is something that I would like to do it. Okay, this is called my hobby. You are clever pupils, as we know during the lesson. Space your room clean, Ali. So here I say keep your room clean, Ali, as we know during the lesson. The plane is fast. You are clever pupils. They collected shells on the. So here we talk about beach. I talk about shells. Let's go to another one. Muhammad likes swimming. Why put ing? Because we know that the rule of like adding ing. I would like to return to the rule here in this In this page, we have here like and adding ing to the verb like this, like reading. So here in this rule, we know that like must be followed by what? As we know, I would like to listen you grade 3. Raise your voice. Gerund, you are clever people. I'm listening, gerund. You know that like must be followed by gerund. By what? By gerund. Again, by gerund. Again, by gerund. Okay, don't forget this. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, what space you like doing? So I ask about something that we want to do it. So here we have you. You text do or does. You can remember me. You text do or does. Text do. Why? Because as we know that when we ask with do and does, are you with a take do? He, she, it, take, does. Okay, this is the difference between do and does. So here's the answer here to be do. My dad never space lies. My dad never tells. To be here as why, because this is the present simple tense. Ali is good at what? At painting. You are clever pupils. As we know here, the rule of good at and adding ing to the verb like this one. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the revising here, of the review here. Here we have tennis, diary, sailing, stems. In the exam, we have these pictures, and you must know this picture. If you keep the vocab, it's easy to answer. Here we say, I see this picture, I think that is tense. That is tennis. I think this it's diary, it's sailing, it's stems. So if we know the pictures, if we keep the vocab that we learned during the lesson carefully, so we can answer this question in a correct way. Here we say tennis, diary, sailing, stems. Let's go to another one here. Here we have unit 3, next question. Here we have my space about his dog. My brother what cares? It could be here cares. Means take care of the dog, of his dog. Not starts, not sells. Adel always keeps his room tidy and neat. Are clever people note as during the lesson. Kuwait is very space in summer, hot. So all of us know that all the Gulf countries, it's hot in summer. It's true. It's a true truth. Okay, it's a truth. It's fact that all the Gulf countries, we know it that it's hot, and I think all these Gulf countries use the air conditions in summer. Okay, I write in my space every day. Diary. Let's read this text. This is the comprehension. Some of you saying this Iman comprehension is an easy question. Yes, an easy question, but you must read it very well, because we have a trick or have something that can something is disappeared or beside the meaning. So we must know it. Must read the text very well to answer the question. Hamad likes animals. Last week he went to the zoo. So I would like to say something that here we use last means we use the past simple tense to narrate, because here Hamad narrated something that happened. Last week, he went to the zoo with his family. He met his friend Jasim there. Hamad and Jasim played football and enjoyed watching the animals. While they were playing, they saw lots of people running out of the zoo because the lions were running after the we're running. It's funny. We leave the lion running with them. So strange something. Okay. Hamad was afraid because one of the lions was coming towards him. He shouted, "Mom, Dad, help, help." Then Hamad wake up. He was dreaming. Okay. I think it's not real. It's not reality. It's dreaming. Okay. The best title in this passage, it will be A Bad Dream. Okay, let's continue. The underlined they, here they means what? Here they refers to what? To Hamad and what? Hamad and Jasim. So here the pronoun they refers to Hamad and Jasim. Hamad and Jasim played football. In the picture, the lion is running after what? This called what? This called zebras. You are clever pupils. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. He always pays our parents on Saturday, so it will be happy. It will be here visit. My sister goes. Why goes? Because sister is a singular and must take S. Haya likes playing. As we know here during the lesson, that like must be followed by what? By the gerund. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Dana likes collected. This is what's called what? Shells. His brother Salah, his brother Saleh likes sailing. Their dad likes playing basketball because he is very tall. So the basketball needs the one who is tall, because he throw the ball in the basket, so must be tall to do this sport. Okay, here is the paragraph, and we have helping words, and we write it. Okay, I think this something like this question will be in our Egyptian exams. We give you the words, guiding words, to be able to write a paragraph. But I think your paragraph here is short. In Egypt, to have more than these lines. Okay, here we have happy swimming, go Fridays, fun friends. So here we have some words, and we collected to make a sentence. So here I will say, my hobby is what? Is swimming. I go swimming on Fridays. I have fun with my friends. Let's go to another, to the next revising here in Unit 4. Let's go to Unit 4 and revise Unit 4 together. I have a video on revising Unit 1 and Unit 2. You can return to the previous video of Unit 1 and Unit 2 and revise what I told in this unit. Okay, so today I revised Unit 3 and Unit 4. Last video I revised Unit 1 and Unit 2. I hope to watch the video again to remind with what we told during this video. Let's continue the rest of the our review today. Here we have baker, doctor, bread rules, hospital, early, plain, word, artist. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, why are reading in Arabic? The Arabic is translated here in the word, so you can read it by yourself. Okay, I would like to know everything in English, because we are in English language. We must improving our language by talking English to all the video. Okay, so when we have English class, we must talk all the speech in English, not any word in Arabic. Okay, that thing I follow in all my videos. On all my videos I talk during the video in English, not in Arabic, to improve my language. Okay, to improve my language. Here we have baker, doctor, bread rules, hospital, early, plain, work, artist, zookeeper, save, grow up, uniform, long, newspaper, tail, and told. Fireman, fire. Here we have fireman. Fireman is the singular. Fireman is plural. Must know this. Okay, this is singular. This is called singular, and this is called plural. Okay, the plural of fireman. It will be here fireman. This is singular, and this is plural. Here we have fire, and here we have building, smoke, ambulance. Here is ambulance. Here is pilot. Here is foot player. We have soccer, also refers to soccer. Soccer. We have here soccer. Soccer is also refers to foot player. Soccer. Soccer. I will make sure of this spelling. I will make sure of this spelling. It is right. Soccer is written like this. It's soccer. Means footballer. Means foot player also. Okay. Means foot player. Okay. Here we have pilot, and here ambulance. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the review the review of this unit. Okay. In this unit, we talk also about present simple tense. I talked about present simple tense before. Today, we in this part, I talk about also the past simple tense. When we use this tense, we use this tense when we talk about something happened and ended in the past. The formula is in this tense we adding ed to the verb like this. We have some irregular verbs like go, went, drink, drank, sit, sat, and so on. These called regular verbs. Must keep this regular verb. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, where we get from these regular verbs in your extra books, and I think your booklets or your something that we have these verbs. These verbs must be kept. Why? Because these called irregular verbs and must be kept. Okay, regular verb adding ed to the verb only. Here, when we talk about when we make a question in the past form, we use did. Okay, here is something that verbs that change, like is to be here was, are to be here were, see saw, have had, feel told, said, think, called. Here is we have some adjectives. Let's learn it together: big, small, tall, short, fast, hot, cold, long, and so on. Let's do this exercise together. The space makes beautiful paintings. Artists are clever pupils. My dad goes to work very early. Slim worked as what in Quid Zoo. In what? Zookeeper means the one who takes care of animals. Aisha has a space hair, has a long hair, as we know during this lesson. Their space lions in the zoo. So here we have lions is plural. We take what? Are. The pilot space the planes fly. To be here flies, because here pilot is singular and ending as to the verb. What space do you want to be? So here I ask about something that we want to be in the future. It will be do. My grandma space us a story yesterday. When we see yesterday keywords of what? So I forget to say that we have three keywords that refers to the past simple tense. It will be yesterday, ago, last. This is the keywords refers to what? To the past simple tense. And I would like to say something that when we use did in the past simple form, the verb must be returned to its theme or its infinitive. Like we say, when we say, what did you, for example, do? If we say, for example, I played football yesterday. When we ask with did, when we ask about did, we say, did you play? So here I return the verb to what? To the steam. I use did replace the steam, replace the tense of the verb. Okay, you must know this. Okay, grandma space us a story yesterday. Here's told. Let's go to this question. Here we have smoke, our clever people, plane, tail, newspaper. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. My uncle called space because my grandpa was sick. Ambulance. My mom stays in Hisham bin Umayya school. I think this is a school in your country. I don't know this, but I think it's a school that most of you know it. Okay, my mom stays in Hisham bin Umayya school. It will be works. The policeman wears a dark blue uniform. The doctor space the girl is life saved. Let's continue the rest of the this exercise. Here is the paragraph and the question followed by this paragraph. Comprehension and the question related to this text. Okay. Next week, Wednesday, Hamad is going to. So here, when we use next, I talk about that. I talk about future. Next Wednesday, Hamad is going to have a party. Means that Hamad is going to have a party next Wednesday. He will be 12 years old. Hamad will be the age of Hamad to be 12 years old. He's going to invite all his friends. Hamad and his brother are making clothes for the party. On Monday, they will go shopping to buy food for it. Hamad has a book about games for parties. He is reading it. Then he will choose the best games in the book. Reading it here when we make shading in this pronoun. So in this way we know that it refers to what? Let's know, let's read the questions related to text and answer together. The best title for this passage, it will be what? Hamad's Friends, or Hamad's Games, or Hamad's Birthday Party. I'm listening to saying this man, Hamad's Birthday Party. The underline it refers to what? Read to the book. He is reading. Here is Hamad. He has a book about games for has a book about games for parts. So here we use it refers to what? To it refers to book. So I put here book. Let's go. Hamad has a book about games. In this picture, there are space people. There are 7 people. I will count it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it will be here 7. I counted before I select the correct number. The footballer. So now we know we have 2 meanings for footballer. We have footballer and we have soccer. Both are correct. It means the one who playing football. The footballer space football plays. I space to the zoo yesterday. Yesterday here means what? Expressing what? Past form. So I put the verb in the past, like when. What space Salim do want to be? Here it will be does. So the fire here, it will be the fireman saved people from the fire. He always wears special uniform. This is called special. This is the special uniform that the fireman wearing to save the people. He is a very brave man. Let's continue. Here we have the baker. Here is the guiding words, and we make a paragraph from these guiding words. The bakery. So the baker is the job. Baker is the place that the baker works in. Make bread rules. Make bread rules. Work early. So let's do this text together. The baker works in the bakery. So the baker. This is the job. Works in what? In bakery. He makes bread rules. They like this one. This is called bread rules. Make bread rules. He works early. Okay. Let's do the last one here. Nasser likes collecting what? Pilots. Can collect pilots. The people, the one who flying planes, doctors, or stamps. Collecting stamps. So here we use collecting with stamps and what? And shells. Both we use collecting with it. I want to be an artist when I grow up. Grandpa reads القباس newspaper every day. So we have here many newspapers have names. We can say الأهرام newspaper. We can say الأخبار newspaper. We have قباس newspaper and so on. The ice cream is very cold. Let's read this text together and answer the question below. Dolphins live in water, but they are not fish. But they aren't fish. They need air to breathe. They can stay under the sea, but they must come up to the surface. They like warm water. So here we talk about the fish and how the fish like warm water. Some dolphins live in rivers and some live in sea. They can swim very fast. They are 2 or 3 meters long. Dolphins are not dangerous. They are very clever animals and they love playing. So the best title here, it will be all about dolphins. Okay, they here refers to what? To dolphins, as we know here. The dolphins isn't dangerous. In the picture, dolphin doing what? Playing is playing. Let's go to another one here, to the last exercise here. There's space a fire in our building yesterday. So here it will be, I use was. Why we use was here? Because here we have yesterday, and yesterday, as we know, refers to what? To the past simple tense. Slim usually gets like collecting dolls. Let's go to another one here. So some of you saying, why you are collecting them? Why you are completing the sentence? Because I would like to know the verb only, and all of us know how to continue the rest of the sentence. Okay, it's not difficult to do so. I want to be what? To be a foot player. Okay, when I grow up, I went to sports club next to my house. I had lots of fun there. Okay, here we have, this is another paragraph. Let's do it together. Good at sailing. Sailing family. Go with. Here is the paragraph about sailing. I'm good at sailing. So here I make a sentence. Subject, verb, object. As we know that the sentence the component of sentence must be subject, verb, object. So here it will be I'm good at sailing. I go sailing with my family. I go at when I go with my family at the weekend. By this video, we end from our review. Last class we review unit 1 and 2. Today we review lesson 3 and 4. I hope to benefit and enjoy our videos, and I hope to study hard for your exam. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Good.